What's good, guys? It's Ron's Rides. This is my 2016 Maserati Ghibli S with the Mangildo Zegna package, and I'm here to talk about my new steering wheel. So I'm actually going to be getting a new steering wheel. Now, this steering wheel here is actually 2 years old, 2.5 years to be exact. I got this car in January of 2016, and now it is August of 2018, and a couple of things have happened to the steering wheel to where it's kind of time to get it replaced. Now you're wondering, why would you just replace something that you probably can't physically see any errors in or any imperfections in? Well, it's because it's under warranty. So since it's under warranty, I want to get the steering wheel replaced just so I won't have to worry about paying out of pocket in the next 2 years that it may happen again. You'd rather have something brand new. Now for 2016, the Maserati Ghibli came with just the standard steering wheel. They did not have the sport steering wheel, which you see in the 2017 and 2018 models. So this was the steering wheel that it had when it launched in 2014 through 2015 and through 2016 here. Okay, so we'll step inside so you can get a closer look at it and just see what it looks like. Now, with this steering wheel, it only came in 3 color options, and that was in black, that was in dark brown, and in beige. So obviously with this spec, it would probably make the most sense to have the black, so that's what is in this spec here. It was a bead grain leather, and the leather supplier was FRAU. Now it's German leather, and it's weird to pronounce, and I just wanted to spell it for you guys because it's kind of like a weird word to pronounce. But this is not the same leather that's on the seats. For the leather wrap steering wheel, it's a German leather, and it's a leather grain B. With that said, this leather has over time gotten a little worn out, and it is going to be kind of hard for you guys to see. But if you're in person, you can kind of see how it has discoloration in it, and discoloration is part of a process, a not so great process of the leather getting worn over time, just overuse. And part of that process is also peeling. The leather will start to peel and flake. Now, I have friends who have Ghiblis who have had that happen to them before. I've had clients that have had Ghiblis, or who have Ghiblis have had their steering wheel start to peel as well. Out in this hot Florida sun, another thing that happens to the steering wheel, as it starts to get warmer, leather starts to get really sticky. So when you touch it, you'll hear a stick noise coming from it just from pulling your fingers off of it. And it's just, it gets hot, the leather gets sticky. It's almost like you have like candy on your hands, and when you grab the steering wheel, it just sticks to your hands. Part of the discoloration too, as you can see, is just sweat and greasy hands and stuff over time. Now I try to keep everything clean for the most part, but as you can see, just smudging and stuff from hot hands in the Florida heat. It's just something that happens. It's kind of like having Alcantara on a steering wheel. That's gonna wear over time. It's not gonna stay the same. It's gonna peel and everything. I will be getting another standard steering wheel. Sports steering wheel, you can retrofit it, but you need the same buttons and all that kind of stuff. As you can see, I don't have any driver assistance here, so these buttons are blank. You can have the sports steering wheel though, but since this is free, I'm just gonna get the free option. And Maserati is very event specific for their cars, so they're not gonna swap out a sports steering wheel in the 2016 model when the sports steering wheel wasn't even made for the 2016 model. So going by my VIN, this is the steering wheel I had. So this is what we're gonna swap out. If I decide to replace it myself, I'll go with the sports steering wheel, make sure that the 2 buttons here are blanks, and then it can be hooked up all the same. But as you can see, all you have to do is replace the steering wheel here. You do not have to replace the paddle shifters because they are column mounted. I do like the column mounted paddle shifters. Reason being, when you're turning the steering wheel, how big these paddle shifters are, you can shift at any point in time. They're always gonna be in the same place, and they're always gonna be easy to reach with how large these paddles are. That's the Italian paddles. So I do like the column mounted paddles. But yeah, all you have to do is replace the actual column here, or not the column here, the actual steering wheel wheel here. It does have the radio buttons on each side on the back, so that's stuff that gets rewired. Hands-free there for the phone, and then for your menu buttons and stuff as well, and your cruise control on this side all gets rewired. Now you're wondering the whole reason you're here, the price. Well, the price is going to be free because it's under warranty. I've only had this car 2.5 years, so it is under warranty. And the price to replace this is actually $1,300 US. So that's a big chunk to replace the steering wheel. So let me get this started because it's a little warm today. So I'm gonna get this started, but yeah, it's $1,300. So it's a pretty penny to replace the steering wheel. That's my reason. Hey, while it's starting to show signs of wear and tear, it's starting to get sticky, it's starting to get faded, I don't want to wait till it's peeling all over the place. Why not get it replaced while it's still in warranty, and you know, take that win and just get something new. So it's obviously been good, it's obviously still in decent shape, but you know, be proactive and get it replaced. Now I'll also be making a video once the process is done. I have to wait a little while until the steering wheel comes in, and until it gets replaced and swapped out, but I'll go over everything when that comes in, and let you guys see everything when it gets done, the old steering wheel versus the new steering wheel, and just show you the differences and everything there. But I just want to tell you guys about it first, because I don't want you to sit on this. If this is close to a warranty thing for you and your car is going to go out of warranty or something like that, just get it done now and get yourself taken care of. So I want to know from you guys, have you had in your Ghiblis or your Quattroportes or Levantes any, you know, wear in your steering wheel? More than you can see from mine, but you know, any discoloration in the leather and any peeling in the leather. If so, get to the dealership, get to your service manager, talk to them, have them talk to Maserati about it, and if you can get your replacement, you're under warranty, get your replacement. This is just kind of making you guys aware that you can get it done, and you know how much it would cost if you didn't get it done. So you know, it's going to vary obviously between labor and everything, but $1,300 is the price I was given to where it would normally cost if I didn't get it under warranty. So that's what I'm doing, getting it under warranty, telling you guys about it, and I just want you guys to take care of yourselves too, because you know, I mean, it's a cost that you don't want to have to pay out of pocket if that's the case. So if you guys have that, just let me know if you've had any experience with that as well. And do you guys think that I should eventually upgrade to the sports steering wheel or stick with the standard steering wheel with this car? I do really like the sports steering wheel, but you know, like I said, I'll take the freebie while I have it. With that said, guys, this is Ron's Rides. Definitely give me a comment below. Also, like the video, help the rankings, get the video up, help the channel. Check the social media links below, the Patreon, the custom floor mats, you gotta get those. And definitely subscribe for more Maserati Alfa Romeo videos. Until then, we'll talk to you guys in the next one. Peace.